Hey y'all, it's your girl G and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you guys how I make my banana pudding cream pound cake. It is thebomb.com, just like the rest of my other recipes. I hope y'all like this. If you love banana pudding, I think this will be a great recipe for you to try, and let's get right into this video. First, I'm going to start off with about 3 bananas. Then I'm going to use a hand mixer and start mixing the bananas. First, we're going to add 3 sticks of unsalted butter. Then we're going to use about 8 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. As you can see, I'm kind of eyeballing because we didn't have the 8-ounce pack in the store. Now I'm going in with 3 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick mix. Now I'm adding 5 eggs to the mixture. Now y'all, we know we can't have a banana pudding pound cake without the banana flavor, so I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of your banana flavor to the mixture. Now I'm going to go in with some of your pure almond extract. I love diverse flavors in my pound cake, so this is optional, but I'm going to add a teaspoon of almond extract as well. Now we couldn't forget about the classic flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add also a teaspoon of your pure vanilla extract on top of that. Added, I have 3 cups of swans cake flour. Now on to our dry ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add a pinch of salt. Then a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to add an entire pack of banana cream instant pudding. Now I'm going to take my whisk and I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. Now I'm going to slowly alternate the bananas and the dry ingredients together in small portions. Now I'm going to give this one good quick mix so we can add this to our pan. Just like my previous cake video, you're going to use a nonstick layer by rubbing vegetable oil around the pan, and then topping it with flour. Now I'm gonna go in with some crushed vanilla wafers, and you can just add as much as you want at the bottom. Now grab your cake batter, and we're gonna pour all around the pan, making it nice and even. Quick tip, make sure you hit the bottom of your pan just to make sure that there's no air bubbles that lock in while your cake is baking. Now I'm going to take my Ninja air fryer and set it on bake mode to 325 degrees for an hour and 44 minutes. Now I'm going to take about a cup of powdered sugar and a half a cup of whipping cream, and you can kind of eyeball this measurement based on how much icing you want, but these are the measurements that I used. Now I'm going to go back in with my banana extract and add a teaspoon for the icing flavor. And also 1 teaspoon of your pure vanilla extract as well. To give our icing a more banana pudding look, we're going to add about 3 drops of yellow food coloring. Once the icing is fully mixed, we're going to take it and we're going to drizzle it all over the pound cake. Now on to my favorite part, we're going to take some of our vanilla wafer cookies and we're going to place them around the middle, or you could jazz it up however you like, but I like to put mine closer to the middle of the rim. Now I'm just taking pieces of the vanilla wafers and crumbling them all around the cake. Now you have a beautiful banana pudding cream pound cake, beautifully made, and your girl G just put you on to some more game. So show off at your next event or holiday season with this beautiful cake. Thanks for watching, you guys, and make sure you subscribe and like for more yumminess.